How to verify your Discord account. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, I will launch any web browser and search for discord.com. Then you will land on the official interface of Discord. Now click on Open Discord and make sure to log into your account on Discord. Now click on gear icon at bottom right corner of the screen. And now click My Account on the User Settings page. Now for email, you need to simply choose Edit. Now a pop-up menu box appears where you have to verify your email address. So in order to verify email address, click on Send Verification Code at bottom right corner of this menu. Now you have to enter the code. Simply you need to check your email and you'll be sent a code. You have to enter it in order to verify. And once you have verified your Discord account, you can successfully now enjoy using Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.